We started using IKO after the COVID pandemic. There was a lot of issues getting materials from other suppliers, and we had big challenges. IKO was the first one that stepped in and helped us overcome those. Ever since then, we've developed a great relationship with them. We've been very proud of that relationship, and they were a big impact on us getting this project here.
A big thing IKO did for us on this project was help us be very competitive when it came to getting this project. They gave us a lot of support there. Obviously, we had a lot of very hard details to work with on this project with the blast freezer and the vapor barriers. So they really helped have support with coming up with details that would work for both us and the architect on this project.
Originally, when we got here, all the decking was supposed to be completed. When we got boots on the ground on the 19th, there was absolutely no decking ready to install. So I instantly had to make a decision to call back our material delivery. IKO was able to get to us quickly and cancel those trucks that were coming in. And it really gave us a lot more time to get this roof ready for us to install.
We also worked with IKO to help us develop the details needed for the perimeter of the building.
We weren't really clear on as far as the details with the GCs. We were able to work with IKO to get a really good idea as far as sitting in the RFIs to get these completed. We've just recently really started putting down IKO, and I've been able to tell a major difference between that and other products. Especially the membrane, it's really easy to weld, it's easy to clean, it lays out tight. It's been great working with it.
My experience working with the IKO commercial team has been great. When it comes to helping us out with details and the warranty on the project, they do a great job giving us all sorts of helpful information and support that we need. So they've been fantastic to work with.
We've just had a great relationship with them from the corporate level down, helping deal with details that were problematic on projects and just getting general support. IKO has been fantastic with that.